I have made a quiz. Say, whenever the answer is right, there will be light and buzzer. So, I have made 24 questions. There are 24 answers. They are kept in random. So, whenever you are touching two things, now it is a correct answer. If touch anything, it is wrong. So, with this, we can make any quiz. So, example, I have made, this is for children, this is Hindi, this is Kannada. So, they can play with this. So, this is ABCD, this is capital A, small a. See, you have to you have to match with the, there are steel screws for this you have to do. So children, small kids. So now I will say, if D, I put anything, then it will not come. So that means this is the right answer. If I put H, so H I have to search this answer. So this is the one. Same A, say these are all numbers. 1, 2, 3. They have to identify that one. It is written 1 here. If you touch, it will. Otherwise, it will not. Total there will be 24 questions, 24 answers. So this is Roman letters. This is the Indian numbers. Say if you say this is 5, I have to search somewhere. If 5 is there, then this is correct. This is 20, I have to search 20. So like that. So if you match, this is a Roman letters. See, some of the things they have done. This is addition, deletion, and 9 minus 3, 10 plus 5, like that. This is math. So this is totally 24 questions, 25 answers. If answer is correct, buzzer will come. Otherwise, it will not. This is also maths. So this is see timings. How to read timing? 10:15, like this. So this one, what is the time? So it is 2 o'clock 15 minutes. So if I put 2 o'clock 15 minutes, then only it will learn. So these things are ready-made. But apart from that, we can make anything. It is made for LKG to any level. General knowledge, medical, engineering, anything we can do. See, this one I have made just for Hindi. I have taken Hindi letters, calendar, cut, and I have cut here. So if A is there, then only it will answer. You must touch that letters exactly like that. So if you are conducting some quiz, so you can write here. See, here I have written. Next time you can rub it and write new this thing. See here I have written sin 30, cos 30, like this. Again this side it will be answer. So like this we can make our own questions. see capital of this thing about sports quiz, anything we can make. It is unlimited one. So now I will show how to make this. See, for making this I have taken only exam board. I have removed the clip. Here I have put battery. We need one buzzer, one LED. So what you have to do, first you have to mark this on any board. So example, if you are not having this, you can take this type of board. Somewhere you mark all the holes like this. So total you have to 48 holes, 24 this side, 24 this side. This is a partition line. So after marking, you have to take drilling machine and drill holes. See, here I have made 48 holes. Then what you have to do, if you come this side, see, you can, as per your requirement, just randomly you can attend. So you should know. See here what I have done. I have kept here. Somewhere here. Here. Like that. So you can take some screws, bolt it, in between bolt. See, this wire it is going here, this wire it is going. Then see, this is the first letter. See, I have to check. Some we have put glue, it is not working. So like that, you go on randomly connecting 24 to 24 here. So here that means I have connected to here. That is first hole to here second hole. Say if you take La, so somewhere it will be there. La. So like that you can, it is your choice how you make it that random this thing. So you have to take one small wire, like this. You have to, some length you have to see how much you need. Then cut out. Then strip this line. You are stripping this much. Yeah. Okay. See, here that bolt and nut is there. Then you can put, just twist it. Then tighten the bolt. It should not become loose. See, like that all the holes it will be done. See, next the other part is you have to give power. See, this is the battery. So battery is having, say this is a battery holder. See, first you can use only LED or only buzzer. I have used LED and buzzer. See, if you give LED direct, this LED capacity is only 3 volts, but if I give more than that, it will burn. Say this is 9 volts battery. So for that I have to use one 300 resistor. For that, how to calculate resistor, I have made separate video. So here that 6 volts it has to be come down. For that you have to use 300 ohms resistor. So instead of that, I am putting one buzzer. This also acts as a resistor. When voltage comes here, again there is a power drop, and by the time it comes here, it will be saved. So instead of directly giving this and avoiding this thing, so I have used one battery, then battery supply, that is battery positive to this is the buzzer positive, then it goes to the supply, that positive has to go to positive of like this. Then what you have to, there are only two terminals. See, if you are using like this, it will be connected like this, but now we don't want to use like this. For this, what you have to do, you have to take a bigger wire like this, any big, say I have taken some nearly 1 feet, so you put one to the battery terminal, so another wire you put to LED, that is minus, so like this. So whenever you touch these 2 points, here the wire is there, here to here there is a wire, it acts as a continuity. See this, it is internally connected. When you touch, it will be showing. When you touch this, then also it will be. So like that, you have to make this bold. So when everything is there, you have to put one thing and check all these things, and always you must have a masterpiece. Again and again, you cannot go on checking this thing. See, this you will be knowing A means A like this, or 1 2 3 like that. So these things it will be there, or just by seeing you can conduct any quiz. Say here I am using masterpiece. See 1 2 3 ABCD. See this one, it will be your reference chart A. So always you write anything. See, if I write sine 30 degrees, so this answer should be always here, first, second. That is whatever is there. Say sine 30 means generally it will be 1 by 2, that is 0.5 like that. This answer, you write anything, capital of India. So if you write this D, it should be, answer should be here. Then only, otherwise it will not match your answers. Anything you can write like that, sports, biology, history, geography. So it is open source. So it is unlimited. You can write anything, any type. Only thing, that answer and question you must be same. Say if it A means it should be A only here. Say if I write Japan, what is the currency? Yen. So if I write here Japan, yen, dollar, like that you have to say. So it is easy, and children, it will be loving this one. 2 children, one will ask questions, next other person will point, they note down how many answers correct, how many answers wrong, like that you can play, and they will learn this difficult to remember, these Roman letters. By this they can remember. Thank you.